are heading into winter, and I just noticed that the mice have chewed the bottom of my garage door. So I need to make sure they are not coming in the house. So I could put some poison down in the corner, but I have pets, so I am going to use a mouse trap instead. All right, so I picked up some Victor mouse traps on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And so what we're gonna do, start with one of these guys. So this is the mouse trap. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is there's a staple in here. So we gotta remove this little staple. There you go. All right, so if you've never done this before, this is called the arm bar, and this is called the kill bar. So, first thing we're gonna do is get the arm bar out of the way. We're gonna pull it back. I'm using some peanut butter at the supermarket. So I'm just gonna put a little gob of peanut butter here on the trap. That's for the mice. All right, so now I'm going to pull the kill bar back. And I'll put the arm bar over it. And I want to get it just in that little loop. Just like that. All right, so now the trap is set. So, just in case you're doing this yourself, this is what the trap is going to look like when it's set. So when the mouse goes after that peanut butter, it'll release the arm bar and this thing will get hit pretty hard. So let's go put this in place. All right, so again, the mouse are coming in here. They're typically gonna follow the wall around your house. So I am going to tuck this wrap right in the corner. So now the mice should come in and hit that trap. We'll see how many I can catch.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.